Go.
All right, we're outside of 6635 Longworth in Waterford. I told you it would be done this week, which it almost is. We got the new roof, and it's painted on the outside. Looks awesome. And I just want to do a quick PSA. I get asked all the time, Mike, how can I work with you? So on this property where me and my team do all the hard work, we have investors who are sitting at home in their warm living room with their family, and they're getting paid to invest on houses like this. So if anyone, you or someone else has lazy money sitting around, you can partner with us on houses like this. But I'm gonna walk you through. We got it all painted. We got some new fixtures. The only thing that we need to do is hardwood is gonna be next week. But it looks a lot different, a lot more cleaner. There we go. And then we got the bathroom. Now we can walk on it. The grout's all nice and dry. You can check out the bathroom, the shower. We got the fixtures, toilet, vanity. I just need a mirror up here. And let's see. The bedroom's not really much of a difference, but we just got some new windows. Some of them needed to be replaced, but they look a lot better now. So yeah, we were just actually running through with our contractor the last punch list. So 95% of the house is complete. We just got a list of probably 30 little odds and ends things to do.
Yep, I'll bring William tomorrow too.
All right, so now this looks a little bit different than last time. All we had was the flooring, and now we have the cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite. We just need to do some touch-up work with the paint, but looks 1,000 times better. Looks awesome. Love these appliances. All right, sneak in through here. We got the outside porch, you got the drop-down ceiling, so nice clean look. And we're just gonna paint this floor. We're gonna bring in a turbo heater, heat up this room, and paint the floor so it'll be a nice clean look. Mind if we sneak through, Jay? Thank you, sir, appreciate it. Alright, so this is the finished basement part. This is pretty awesome. It looks way different than last time. Last time I was here, had this light hanging down. But now we got all the lights up, we got the ceiling sprayed, we got the walls sprayed, and we got the new flooring down as well. They actually just laid this flooring earlier today, and we replaced a couple of the windows that needed it. And right now we're working on the bar top. They're putting a new bar finish on it, so it'll look sweet once it's done. So, yeah, today's Thursday. Our contractors they're going to be doing the punch list tomorrow. Early next week, we got the hardwood floors. And then late next week, we got the photographer and the cleaners coming. So this house will be on the market in about a week and a half. So I'll do another video once it's all done.